Hey everyone, this is Jen, and today I am going to show you how you can easily install LED light in your above ground pool or in-ground pool. We have an above ground pool and I love lighting. Lighting really creates nice ambiance if you have friends or family over, and I think this is a great addition to your outdoor space. So if you're not handy, don't worry, you don't need any tools for this. So without further ado, let's get started. So here's what's included in the product. I'll show you. So here it has a manual. It has the wire. So this is inside, and this is for outside of your pool. If you have soft-sided pool, then you can put this outside and this goes inside. Here's the manual, and here is the Bluetooth connector. So I'm actually gonna download an app, and then here's all the directions on the back with the app, and then you can actually choose different colors, which is so cool. And I'm gonna show you the app and how it works in a minute. So the light comes with 26-feet cable and is fully waterproof and has really strong magnet. So I did plug in the LED light. I put in the magnetic thing behind this. It's kind of hard to see right now, but here it is. It's underwater. By the way, it's safe to swim with this on. Your family can swim in it, even if it's on. So right now it's a little, you can't really see it too good. I'll show you when it's dark outside. Alright guys, so as promised, this is what it looks like at night. Look how cool this is. It's so bright. I love it. Isn't that so cool? And I love that you can change it up to different colors, different color combination, different style, which is so cool. I'll show you if you could see it. So there's static blue, that's red. Look how it's changing in the background. And it's so responsive. It's amazing. Look. So you can try as much as you want. If you want it static, different colors. Look at this one. Isn't that cool? Red. I like the white one. Blues. But that's it. This LED pool light is super bright than battery powered or solar powered lights. And so it also has music sync function. So if you have company over for like parties, this would be perfect to sync with your music and the light will just change. I think that is super cool option as well. I think it's really a great addition to your outdoor space, especially in the summer. Now it's not just a black hole. Now it's actually more color and there's light. And you can also schedule it, which is awesome. I don't know if you could see it. That it would turn off at the exact same time and then it would turn on. So that is pretty cool. You don't have to like keep turning it on at the same time. It will just turn on by itself. There you go, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna add a link down below. If you have any questions, just comment. And thank you all for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye guys.